how to create a drop down menu in your Shopify store. Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys step by step how easily create a drop down menu in your Shopify to make your website more professional. And don't forget like and subscribe for more Shopify videos and tutorials. So let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then guys, go directly to sales channel and hit on online store. First guys, I will show you how easily create a menu or add your own menu on Shopify. Then guys, I will give you a simple process to create a drop down menu in your Shopify. Then guys, I prefer to choose the down theme because it's easy to use for a beginners. Then hit on customize. Then guys, this is the easy method to create a drop down menu. Then guys, first you need to select this header. You can easily select this header, then it's take you directly to main menu. Then guys, if you want to change the menu, you can easily hit on change, then you can remove it or change it. Then guys, if you want to make or create another menu navigation, then hit on create a menu. Then guys, it's take you directly to your Shopify dashboard on the navigation section. Then guys, first you need to name the menu. Then for example, custom, for example. Then guys, hit on add a menu item. For example, the first one is home page, add. Again, another one, for example, collections, all collections. Then hit on add. Another one, for example, pages. Then hit on contact. You can easily add more than one menu item. I will add the last one, add. For example, the search bar. Then hit on add. Then guys, after adding your menu, you can easily drag between them. You can select the 6 dots, then drag between the menu item. You can select, make it the first one, or you can select the contact as the first one. I prefer to choose the home page, the first one. Then guys, I will show you how easily create a drop down menu. Then first, for example, hit on this all collection, or select all collection and drop it to the right and put it put it inside the search. For example, the contact, you can easily select the contact and drag it to the right, sorry, and put it. As you see guys, this is your drop down menu was created. You can easily add another section or menu item to your home page. For example, products, all products again. Then hit on add. You can easily add more than one. Again, on the search, you can easily add a menu item. For example, blogs, news. Then hit on add. Then guys, after creating your menu, then hit on save menu. As you see guys, the menu was saved and created successfully. Then go to online store and hit on theme again, and go to customize the theme, the theme, your Shopify theme. Then guys, this is the main navigation menu. Then again, hit on this section, it take you directly to main menu. Then go to change it to the last one that you are created, it's custom that you are created. Then hit on this menu, then select. Then make sure to scroll down and desktop menu type, make it a drop down, not mega menu. As you see guys, when you make it a drawer, then guys, make sure to select drop down menu type. Then guys, when you select the home page, the drop down menu was created. Then also the search, it's give you a drop down section. As you see guys, this is the easy method to create a drop down menu on your Shopify store. Then you can easily create or add more section to your home to your navigation section or menu navigation to your Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.